You want to speak English, but you don't have anyone to practice with?
And because of that, you feel stuck?
Don't worry. You don't need a partner.
In this video, we'll show you simple ways to practice English alone.
I understand everything, but when I try to speak, I get blank.
That's normal. Everyone faces this problem.
So, what should I do?
You don't need perfect English. You need daily practice.
But how can I practice alone?
Start talking to yourself.
Really?
Yes. Look around and speak. For example, this is my room. I am sitting on a chair. I am learning English.
Now you try. I always translate in my mind.
That's why you feel slow. Stop translating. Start thinking in English.
Start small. Water, phone, table.
Look around and say 3 things in English.
How can I sound more natural?
Use shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately.
Copy the speaker exactly. Repeat after me. I can speak English.
Again.
How much time should I practice?
Just 5-10 minutes daily. Consistency is the key.
Daily practice equals confidence. Sometimes I feel shy.
That's okay.
People will laugh.
No one cares. Everyone is busy.
So I should just start.
Yes. Start small, but start today.
Say this. I am improving every day.
Now you try. If you want to speak English confidently,
Practice with us every day.
like this video.
And subscribe to Talk English with AI. Let's learn together.